Oh, back to school, back to school, back to school.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am actually shitting my pants right now because I'm about to go pick up my friend and we're gonna head to Target and like Office Depot and stuff. We're gonna go buy our school supplies for our last year of high school, our senior year. If you guys have been following me for a while or if you're new, I've been making these videos ever since I was in 7th grade. I started making these like back to school supplies videos and that's where you guys found me, like majority of you guys were through my back to school videos. So it's actually beyond me the fact that I am going school supply shopping for like the last time for my senior year. I'm actually shitting my pants because growing up to me is probably like the scariest thing ever. I'm shitting my pants. Personally, shitting my pants.
Personally, I'm so excited. Like, I've literally been watching back to school videos every single night. That puts me to sleep. Like, that is my ASMR every night.
But you see, the thing is, you're excited about the stationery part of it.
Oh, yeah.
So.
Oh, yeah. I actually don't want to. And then it's senior year, like...
But we're going for our senior year, which is so literally like humiliating and scary and sad and...
Humiliating?
I don't know. We're vomiting.
I wanted to say like verbs and nouns, but I honestly don't know what the fuck.
I know verbs are like...
Action.
Yeah.
Like jump. Nouns are person, place. Yeah,
or
person, place, or thing. Yeah. So Andrew is a noun.
Target is a noun. Us walking into Target
is a verb.
See, we should be seniors.
What's an adjective? What is a metaphor?
We're gonna walk in there and we're gonna school supply shop and we're going to... Yeah. We're going back to school in like what, a week? A week and a half?
Exactly 1 week, bitch. Like 7 days from now.
No, I'm like going for like a whole pink vibe. I always do black backpack and then like pink, red, and white supplies. So perfect. Personally, the vibe that I go for every year is pink, white, and red. So that's my mission.
Personally, I go for black.
You should do black and white.
Yeah, I'm gonna do black and white.
I wish I was like still like, yeah, 2 years old and I could like get these. I mean, you can. Like, this is like simple, like it's cute. But like no teacher would accept this. Yeah. Like, honestly. Be kind, be strong, be awesome, be curious, be brave. Be you. They have like some like fun ones, like, okay, queens. This is cute. Oh, they ruined it with the Emma pocket.
Girl, you can take that off.
Think like a proton. Okay, you can like kiss ass to your chemistry teacher. Yeah, we should get like little kid notebooks. I'm down for that, even though like we're not gonna use them for anything. They have like pastel ones, which I love. I used to get these because I thought like that was gonna motivate me. Still didn't do shit. Yeah, like these are like twins. They have like some boyish ones here. I mean, girl, just sporty ones in general, if you guys are downsies. I love that. And it's the Proud Family, no?
I have no idea.
Yeah, I think this is from the Proud Family.
Oh yeah, the Proud Family.
But they have some like gamer ones and they have some sporty ones. Like this is like what? Baseball?
Oh, it's not.
What is it?
Football.
That's a football? Oh, I couldn't see. This is a baseball.
Yeah.
And then basketball. That's cool. These are their wide rules. Personally, we don't, I mean, unless your teacher asks for them, but usually in high school, you don't use any of these. Here they have like some wide ruled ones, but 5-star, which is like the best brand of life. But none of these are my vibesies.
If your teacher ever wants to write an essay and they're like, I want a page front and back. If you get wide ruled, there's less lines. So you fill up the page faster.
Okay, tip. But usually, at least the teachers I've gotten, like these recent years, they tell me like, I want college ruled paper. Here's their like little things. I personally never get these, but the times I have gotten, because honestly wooden pencils like are actually kind of fire. Like I actually do like them, but I always get the pre-sharpened ones. I'm looking for mechanical. Oh, perfect.
I don't know if I should do black or pink purple.
I'm not liking the purple though. Like I am going for an all pink vibe, but I wish they had like this, how it's like black.
I wish instead of purple was black.
Yeah.
Then I wouldn't need it.
I don't know if I should do all black or all pink.
That's why I'm.
Okay, I'm gonna get both and then we're gonna decide later. Personally, last year I was begging everyone in my classes to give me erasers because for some reason I didn't have any. These suck, but I'm gonna get this one. These are like the superior erasers of life. They have some Sharpies. I actually have a lot of Sharpies at home, so I don't need any, but they're not even allowed at my school because of people like graffiti and shit. We had an issue. Oh my god. I remember when I was little, I always wanted my mom to get me this big ass pack. People would always get extra ones and like They would always give you these when you asked for like pencils.
Oh my god, I love these. These are superior actually.
Yeah, but I don't like that they come with like a bunch of colors. Like, be aesthetic.
Wait.
You might get those. I mean, that's actually kind of smart.
They're good for when people borrow pencils.
Yeah.
Like, these are the backups.
Okay, here's finally the college world section. This is like where I actually get my notebooks. I want like a red one. Which one's cuter? Like this brighter red or this? I feel like yeah. This one's college ruled and 5-star is like actually superior. They have like these cool little marbled ones. But yeah, they don't really have that many like, they have like little designs. I need like a pink one, like hello? Why is there like no pink? Oh my god, wait. Hello? This is gorgeous. She's one subject and she's a lavender. We'll see if we get her, but it's kind of out of my theme that I was going for, but it's okay. Because this is one subject. I mean, you can get like these thicker ones, and I do get these for like certain classes because my school does block periods, but there are teachers that want like specific for their classes. There's a specific class that I need these for. Should I get this like pink reddish that goes with my vibe, or this lavender?
I kind of want to do blue.
I mean, that'll just go with you. I mean, you could do the lavender too. I feel like that goes with you too. It's really cute.
Same, huh? This is the size that I need for pyramid, right?
Yeah.
But she doesn't match me.
Yeah, she does. I like the purple. Okay, I need a black one. It needs to be black. I'm like getting frustrated the fact that I can't find a plain black one. He just wanted a black one. I don't know if he just wanted one subject, but he didn't specify, so that's what he gets. They have some more over here. These are college rolled, like fun ones. Oh my god, this is so cute. Wait, I love her. She has flowers. That's a must. That's a maybe.
Do we really need?
Like 3, honestly.
Except he's on our laptop. That's the thing. That's
Yeah. So I'm only getting like 3, but that one's like really cute. Okay, they have like some fun college rules, like I said. So they have like more graphic-y ones like these, and they have like fun ones like this one, and this one is cute. I would get this like if I were to get like these small ones, but these are too small for me. But they have fun 5-star ones too. I remember people having these, but I honestly doubt that these like even like work. These are lifesavers. These are literally everything. They have pens, but honestly, that's one thing that I will say. Be specific about your pens at school. Okay, they have more mechanical pencils. These are cute. I mean, these are the ones you wanted, no? Look, these are cuter colors and they're sparkly and it's a smaller pack.
These are cute. I was gonna get these, but these are cute.
Oh my god, this is cute. But
I love that one just from like Plan a Wedding. I grabbed it.
And it's so big. Planners are really good. Honestly, I never end up sticking to them though. She is so cute.
This one gives Ali. There's another one, I think.
Oh my god, if it was like in black, we can look. I know they have another section with planners.
Yeah, we're gonna
so I'll just put her as like a option. Okay, I never recommend to get these paper ones because they rip so easily, and plus I hate when they don't have like the built-in hills like these do. But these, like, how are you supposed to like put them in your binder? Like, I don't understand the science. These are like not my vibe. They have these graphic-y ones, but none of these fit my aesthetic either. I mean, if you're into like Mario,
I would even get her. Like, I would get her.
like she's like a theme.
Like, I would get her now. Like, this matches my theme right now.
Okay, here are like the plastic ones, which I like. Ones like these I like. But do they not have like the 5-star ones that are good? Like, this is so cute. But is it like a pack?
3
Stitch notebooks, yeah. Like, none of these vibes. It's too like floral for me. It's too happy. Honestly, I don't need any composition notebooks, but I hate that they're doing this. Like, just keep it plain green. Like, what is this?
Oh, this is cute.
Yeah,
like,
that is
it's
cute.
cute, like,
And the blue.
like fancy.
Oh, it goes with your blue theme. Okay, I am very specific about my pens, and I like these. Some people say they hate them because they smudge, but bitch, just wait for them to dry. Wait for the paper to dry.
Why did they have some else?
For why? Like, they're just promoting for kids to like shove that up
Apple pie,
there.
sugar cookie, blueberry muffin, and watermelon.
I want to try the watermelon.
I want to try blueberry muffin.
I used this one last year, like a huge one, and it was such a lifesaver. So I'm gonna go with this. She just left.
That was an intrusive thought. I'm so sorry.
Can I do it to you now? And last year I literally had, I didn't even have a notebook in my backpack. I had one makeup bag.
Exactly.
Okay, binders is not that necessary. If you're gonna get some for school, literally do not get these thick ones. Okay, these pouches I do not use as school. I use as makeup, but I don't think I'm vibing with any of these. So we definitely don't need anything in this realm. I would get this one. Who the hell needs that big ass poster right there? But I want it.
Promoting it. I didn't think it was actually.
Then like these are huge. Hello, but I'm gonna get, is they're like all pink.
So cute. This is
Okay.
perfect.
This is cute and it's like simple. I don't know, none of these are like fulfilling me. Like, I need just a simple cute planner. More schoolies, but we honestly don't need anything more from here. I mean, some like highlighters and shit, but Here we have our full ass cart. Still need to go through everything and see what we're gonna keep and not. We actually found the planners, but honestly, like year round, they're cuter. Like I don't know what these, I mean this one's cute. So you can like... Okay guys, we just made it back into the car.
That was traumatizing.
We were there for a fat minute. So right now we are gonna go get food because I'm personally starving. And then we're gonna go to Walmart to get some more of the essentials because there was like nothing at Target for essentials. Like I don't know what they did. I'm so excited to eat. Oh my god, yum. I'm literally starving. Starving. So we just came to Walmart and we found even cuter school supplies, which I'm surprised.
Me too, and I'm
very
feeling
surprised.
existential crisis vibes. That one is beautiful.
Oh, this pink is so pretty. But like honestly, we wouldn't have even got it, girl. I wanted a cute little bag and they had none cute ones, which they usually do at Target.
Yes, they do. What are you talking about? For your makeup brushes?
Girl, goodbye.
Oh my god.
Yum. Okay, they have cute notebooks too here. Like these go with like the Target ones. Yeah, everything's so much more organized here. I'm so disappointed.
And like there's more white stuff, which is exactly like my theme. And we struggled so much to find it over there, and here there's so much of it.
Like, oh my god, this one's like cute. This is a journal though. Like, hello, they have so much more stuff. Oh my god, yes.
No, she's not. Oh my god, I could cry right now.
Superior. I've recently been using this. Yeah, that's the one I exactly have.
Oh, I borrowed it.
Yeah, and I love it because it's a lip balm, but it looks like lip gloss. These are Glow Paradise Balm and lipsticks, and I recommend them so much to you guys. I use, personally, this one, the Rose Mirage. I love it. I like getting little mini essentials for school. I'm gonna get the spray deodorant because it be stinky, y'all. Okay guys, but that is all for my back to school supply shopping vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. I honestly haven't really done these in the past. Like I've done supplies hauls, but I always get really nervous when it comes to the vlog. This is like the first year that I'm like genuinely like, it was like a vlog on its own. She shined. She had her moment. Stay tuned on my channel because I am going to be making so many back to school videos. I have so many planned. Obviously a back to school vlog, a supplies haul, showing you guys everything I got today. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and I'll see you guys in my next video.